Hi people, what's up and welcome back to the channel. It's Maccabe's Cakes here. So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you all how I stack up this cake, decorating from scratch to finish. As you can see, I'm sure you're wondering how I got to achieve this, right? So please, if you're interested in getting to know it, I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this video to the end. Do not go away because I'm going to share it all in details of how I achieved this. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know sometime last year or towards ending of 2022, I shared a tutorial video of how I decorated and stacked up a two-tiered whipping cream cake, right? Now for this particular video, I used a different method, right? In my other former video, when I got to the second tier, I had to stack it up directly. But for this particular video, I have already I kind of stacked up this cake, right, before before I start to decorate it. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. Normal me, whenever I'm doing a two-tiered whipped cream cake, I usually do this, like, set up the bottom tier, then I kind of coat the cake. I will send it back to the freezer, then I will do the second tier, send it back to the freezer. Then when I'm done, decorating the bottom tier and the top tier, I will now have to, stack it up. You get, so that's my usual way of decorating my two-tiered, even three-tiered cream cake. You get, like anything tiered cream cakes, two-tiered, three-tiered cream cakes. That's how I decorate it. You get, if you have watched the previous video I shared with you guys in 2022, you would understand what I'm saying. So I got this job yesterday and I decided to more like try a different method by stacking this cake up here in this video, and then from cut it while it's fully stacked up, and decorate it while it's already stacked up. Like I did all these things from the beginning to the end. So I want you all to sit back and enjoy this video, learn one or two things, because trust me guys, this video is well detailed. At first I didn't want to film it because I felt like I have showed you guys this thing, this particular method. I feel like I've shared with you all the tutorial about how to stack a two-tiered whipping cake, but I just felt like, okay, this is a new method, let me just teach you guys. Okay, so that whiteboard there is called a stacking board. As you can see right now, I have, I'm sure you guys saw where I do well the bottom tier. That's very important. And I'm trying to stack up the second tier, and I had to use a PVC white pipe to send the cake down so that it can be properly stacked up. Don't know if you guys like, so that it can be, like it can be well structured. Don't know if you guys care what I'm saying. So I used a PVC pipe, and I didn't even bother to dowel the top tier, even though I forgot. But I just believe my work and my job that nothing will happen to the cake. You get, so this is how I stacked up this particular two-tiered cake, and this is how I decorated it from scratch to finish. And trust me guys, the cake went out for delivery today and nothing happened. So right here I forgot to layer the cream before stacking it up. So I had to take off the whole layers and then apply my whipping cream before arranging it back again. So guys, that's it. I don't know if you guys are enjoying this video. I don't know if you guys are, I'm sure you guys are getting value anyway. So please, if you do, kindly like this video right now, like give it a thumbs up right now. Oh my goodness. So subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining this family. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, and feel free to like, share, and of course drop your comments, and also watch my ads in case you see it here on this video. It's a way of supporting me here, guys. Okay, so guys, after I was done, I hope you guys understood this aspect. So please, if you don't, you can always go back to watch the video again. So it was time to trim the cake. I make sure that I trim this cake perfectly. Guys, it's very important to trim your cakes because when you trim your cake properly, especially two-tiered cakes, you're going to definitely achieve a structured and smooth, like it will be very easy for you to come coat and use your scraper to go around. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. So guys, that's it. So I hope you will understand this method of how I stacked it first before I start to from coat. You have to do well the bottom tier first, and then you stack up the second tier. You pass in, and you have to pass in one PVC pipe down so that the cake can be balanced. As you can see here, the cake is balanced, it's not bending, even though my turntable is looking like it's making it look like the cake is bending. But guys, trust me, if you look at it very well, the cake is not bending, just the turntable, and of course my the surface, which is the floor in my bakery, is not that balanced enough. That's why it's looking like the cake is bendy. But if you look at it very well, the cake is standing straight. You get. So guys, that's it. Okay, so I want you guys just to watch this video, and if you have any question, please feel free to drop in the comments, and if you have any contribution, please feel free to do that as well. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. And you guys are going to see the design I achieved. I wouldn't say it was hard for me to do this, even though it's my first time, like, stacking up a cake and then decorating it from start to finish. It's my first time doing this, trust me. But because, I'm a pro in what I do, oh, yes, I have to brag about it. With my food chest too, because I'm good at what I do. If you know me very well, you will know that I do whipping cakes perfectly a lot. So because I'm good at what I do, I didn't really I wasn't worried about how it's going to turn out, but I just knew that it would be perfect. And guys, trust me, this method is the most easiest, the most simplest. So I was done here. It was time to set it into the freezer for it to chill up for a while.
A few moments later.
So after like 2 hours, the cake was well chilled, as you can see here in this video. You see how straight it's standing, guys, so perfect. And it was time to do the final coating. Like guys, like I said before, I enjoyed decorating this cake. I enjoyed this particular method. This method is so easy. So when you have a job like this, you can feel free to use this particular method, or you can feel free to use the other method I shared almost 2 years ago. I'm going to put it towards the ending of this particular video so that you can watch it and tell me which one is better. Or if you have watched the previous video of how I decorated and stacked up a two-tiered cake, and then you watch this one, you can tell me in the comment section which one looks more better and which one is easier and faster. I look forward to your comments. Okay, so as I said before, I'm here doing the final coating, and this cake was super easy. It wasn't stressful, like it was so easy. The only little challenge I have was this particular area here, where I was trying to this particular area I'm trying to apply cream. I just had a little bit of challenge there, but it wasn't that difficult. I just had to find my way around it to make it neat and beautiful. So guys, that's it for this video. So please do well to watch this video to the end. I'm going to talk to you guys much later in this video. So guys, at this point, I was done decorating the cake, and this is how I made my balls. I kind of, joined this gold artificial balls together, and I used a rope. This particular green rope is mostly used to tie flowers. Okay, so I use it to, tie the balls together, and I kind of, twist the iron that was this particular iron right now. I twisted it very, very well, and I used this particular green rope to tie it neatly. So for this particular knife set, palette knife, I used the last one to achieve this decorating guys are about to see right now. And guys, do you know what? I cannot stop, admiring this beauty. See how pretty tall this cake is standing. So it was time to decorate the cake. As you can see how beautiful it is. I used the palette knife to achieve this design. It's super easy, guys. It's not difficult. If you want to try this design, just follow my tutorial and you're gonna get it right. Okay. So guys, I think that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And lastly, guys, before I go off, I want you all to tell me like who can guess the size of this cake. Tell me the complete size, like, oh sorry, tell me the correct size of the bottom tier and the top tier. And the first person that got the answer correctly will get a giveaway from me. Mind you, in case you do not know or observe, we have gotten to 10,000 subscribers, and I cannot wait to celebrate this thing. Trust me, guys, a giveaway is coming to this channel soon. So I want somebody to guess it correctly, and the first person that gets it or that got it correctly in the comment section will definitely get a giveaway from me. So guys, this is the design of the cake. My client chose this design, and it's one of the cake I decorated for a client some time ago. She chose the design. I know we delivered the cake to her today for her dad's birthday event. She loved the cake, and I'm so happy, they all loved it anyway. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys got value from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned one or two here in this video. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like this video, share this video, give it a massive thumbs up, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys, stay blessed, stay happy, and stay fabulous. And do not forget to watch my art. It's a way of supporting me. Also, there's a thanks, under this video. You can just, click on the super thanks, just your own way of supporting me on the channel. So guys, stay happy, stay joyful. I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. Bye guys.